Welcome to the millennium, a decade of economic growth and future internationalization. 50 years after its foundation, Wago has not stopped improving its product range to make clients' lives easier. What were Wago's achievements in this outstanding decade? Jürgen Schäfer explains.
And this is about Wago in the first 10 years after the year 2000. When we started into that new decade, we were around 150 million euros. And in 2010, we ended up with nearly 400 million euros. So more than double. How have we done this? 11 new Wago subsidiaries. TopJob S, the first push-in rail-mounted terminal block. Fast, maintenance-free and safe. And another example, Wago appears as control company. Our first Ethernet controller on TCP/IP is going live.